With number 3, we have the pollutant in the lake question again. This time we're being asked how many gallons of pollutant are still in the lake after 1 week passes. All right, so we are interested in P of 7. All right, so P of 7 is going to be the initial amount, which is 50, plus the integral from when there are 50 gallons of pollutant in the lake, which is at t equals 0, to the dime that we're interested, which is 7, of our derivative there. So 1 minus 3e to the negative 0.2 square root of t dt. All right, so we're going to find this integral, and then we're going to, because the pollutant is diluting, it's actually going to end up being subtracted from the 50, as we'll see. All right, so we go to our calculator, and there's our function in y1. So we get out of here and down the main screen, we'll have 50 plus, and then math 9, and the low bound is 0, and the upper bound is 7, and then we have our y1, because that, so again, that's alpha trace, to get y1 up on the screen, and dx, and again, y1 has our function in it. So when we hit enter, it's going to calculate, and we see 42.1245. And again, the idea there, the reason why it's less is because the pollutant is dissolving in the lake. So our answer, P of 7, is going to be 42.12458 gallons. All right, because we asked how many gallons, and we did an integral on the rate. That means we go from gallons per day to just gallons. All right, is the lake safe after 1 month passes? So we see in the stem of the question that the lake is safe when there's 40 gallons or less. So we have to see whether or not, when we put a 30 in as our upper bound, if we get a number which is less than 40. So P of 30 is going to be 50 plus the integral from 0 to 30 of 1 minus 3e to the negative 2/10 root t dt. All right, so again, we let our calculator do the work. All right, the quick way to do that is actually just to go up, because the only thing that we're changing is the 7 to a 30. So we'll overwrite it with a 30 and hit enter. It's going to take a little bit longer to calculate this one. But we see 35.1046. All right, so 35.1046. So yes, the lake will be safe. And be safe. Come on, get that in there. And we have our solution.